People of the internet, welcome back. My name is Leech as always, and Red Light means music video reaction. And today we will be reacting to something that has been sent in 2 weeks ago or something, and I've never heard of it. I've never seen it. I never even read the band name, and I've never heard of anything from them or something. So I'm completely clueless, and it is Wintersun, Sons of Winter and Stars, time / live rehearsals at Sonic Pump Studios. A remaster. Okay, so that's a remaster live version, and I am interested. It is long, 14 minutes, so I guess it's some kind of maybe it's something like the Nightwish song, and something epic with 4 or 5 or 10 different chapters again. I don't know. We'll see. I'm interested. It has 403,000 views, but I'm not sure if that is actually their original YouTube page, because the guy I'm looking, or the page I'm looking the video at, is Wintersun Yari. I don't know. Without further ado, let's get into it. Sons of Winter and Stars. The typography is weird. I guess it's an old song because it looks like it was 720p and it has been upscaled to 1080. That's why it's maybe called remastered. Audio quality, really good. Oh, he's fast. The drummer. It's a bit death metal-y vocals. Not that massive fan of death metal vocals. Hope there's not too much of that in it. But it seems to be. The music keeps me in it right now. Okay. Yes. Please, more of that. Less death metal. Interesting singing technique. He's not doing the actual patterns that normal singers do. He's crisscrossing around it. It's interesting. And they are also doing mixed patterns in the guitar and the drum work. It's cool. Keeps it fresh. Oh, his vocals are layered. A drummer must have been dead after that, but and he looks like he's the only one sweating right now. I like that part. As I've often said, I like those slow mellow parts. pretty good.
Dancing spirit calling me, join in the cosmic train. The silence is tender now. We are the sons of winter and stars. We're coming from afar beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. With the arms of the wind we ride till dawn. As the waves of the ocean cry so strong. We wander in the stars until we're gone. Our fate is sealed by eternal sun. The sons of winter and stars. We've come from afar beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. In the arms of the wind we ride till dawn. As the waves of the ocean cry so strong. We wander in the stars until we're gone. Our fate is sealed by eternal sun. Until we fade away. It's not too late.
I like that. That is really good. Yeah.
The energy flows in me like a river of stars. Left alone by the sun on fire by eternal lights. Frozen my heart. Like lost in the pathways of time. But now the time has come for us. We are the sons of winter and stars. We've come from afar beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. In the arms of the wind we ride till dawn. As the waves of the ocean cry so strong. We wander in the stars until we're gone. Our fate is sealed by eternal
Cool ending. If that was the ending. Probably. So, let me say 4 things and then I am finished, I guess. First, all of them are really, really technically skilled musicians. All of them are above average, or widely above average. Don't misunderstand me. They are really technically really good. Melodically, they can write really great songs and stuff. Second, it sounded a bit like a mixture of folk metal, pirate metal, and some technical death metal, and that was an interesting combination that a lot of different things interwoved into each other and mixed, and that was quite interesting. Thirdly, and I really, really, really don't like death metal vocals. As an ex-singer, I can't stand it. I don't know what it is. I like his normal voice. His normal voice is beautiful. He has a lot of power beneath it. And then he goes like... I know that has something to do with the music, and I'm pretty sure that is something that should actually... I can't stand it. I really, really, really don't like it. It killed the song for me completely. So, and 4, I don't think that kind of music is something for me. After some time, I don't know, maybe you've seen it, after the 7 or 8 minute mark, it became somehow boring for me because it was always the same, and then they dropped into the slow thing that was cool, and then it just was let's just repeat most of what we did before, and let's drop in another two refrains, choruses, whatever you want to call it. And therefore it was just, okay, it drags and it drags. And I was looking at the number and I was like, oh shit, it's still another 4 minutes. So that wasn't my kind of thing. I like long songs if they have a story to tell, or if there is something that keeps pulling you in. And that was just like, okay. And now I have to add a fifth point before I end it. It felt a bit old schooly. I'm not sure if you know what I mean, but there is those 2 parts of metal. I think it's the old school metal fraction, or the people that listen to those older bands, and they go on the festivals and they're like, yay, they are awesome, I'm wearing my jeans jacket and my stuff and my metal jacket, and they're all like, metal is the best. And then there's the newer fraction, and that's more the technical progressive blah 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 blah, you know, that kind of thing. And I feel like I'm leaning a bit more to the progressive metal, and I don't know what it is about the old school metal. It just doesn't grab me. I started with that into 19. I don't actually know when I first heard my stuff, 1997 or something. And there was a period where I tried to get into it because I'm from Germany. There are a lot of those power metal bands and that stuff, and I did not like any of them. And Wintersun felt a bit like that to me, so I'm not really interested in it. I hope I haven't disappointed any of you because I don't like it or something. Maybe it's going to maybe there will be a lot of downvotes, but opinions. I'm saying they are good musicians, and people who like them really like them. I don't, so that's all I have to say. Thank you very much for watching. Go down in the comments, write me that I am an asshole for not liking that kind of music or something, and I'm going to read it and be like, I'm sorry. And click on the subscribe button to hate me even more in the future videos. My name was Leech. Oh, I'm going to make so much enemies. And we'll see us maybe in the next video. Until then, goodbye.